Hey guys, today we'll try to learn one more alignment function, which is expand tabs. Previously, we have learned left justified, right justified, and center justified. Expand tabs is one of the function which is mostly is used along with the escape character /t, which you have used earlier. Yeah. Now, the expand tab method returns a copy of the string where all tab characters are replaced by one or more spaces. So I have to specify how much tab size it will be. Accordingly, there would be the tab size that would be being entered in that particular string. Now the tab positions occur every tab size characters. So default is 8. So the distance between two words and a tab in between is 8. Okay. So giving tab position at column 0, 8, 16, and so on. To expand the string, the current column is set to 0 and the string is examined character by character. Yeah. So if the character is a tab, one or more space characters are inserted in the result until the current column is equal to the next tab position. Yeah. Now, you also need to remember that the actual tab character isn't replicated. If the character is a new line, that's a /n that we have seen during our escape characters or /r, it is copied and the current column is reset to 0. So any other character is copied unchanged and the current column is incremented by 1 regardless of how the character is represented when printed. So let's see some examples, yeah, by which you will be understanding what expand tabs does. This is again one of the text alignment things, yeah. So let me put the syntax first so you understand how to put extend tabs within string alignment. So you have str dot. Oh, I need to put this code. Yes. So you have str dot expand tabs. Yeah. And then you have to specify the tab size. Yes. By default, it is 8. Yes. So you need to be very careful about the parameter at the tab size. This parameter is mostly number. Yeah. And it will replace only the places where it has the character as /t, the escape character, if you remember. Yeah. Please refer my previous videos on escape characters so that you understand what /t does. Yeah. Before we move into more explanation on expand tabs, let's try to get a simple example by which you will be able to understand what expand tab does. Yeah. That way, you'll be able to relate it more easily. So suppose I have a string which is which says welcome to eyes can analyze. Yeah. And if you remember, we can put an escape character in between. So suppose I want to put this as /t here. So this is the tab that is specified between to and eyes can analyze. Let me print this original string. Say original string. Yeah. And our string was str1. Yeah. And let me print the modified string. This is mstr1, which is modified string, which would be our function. So str1 dot expand tabs. Yes. and I'll specify the width of the tab to be 10 or 25. Let me put it 25. Let me put it a little bigger. So the modified string would be mstr1. Let's see the output. Here, in a normal original string, the tab length you can see here. So 2 TO, that is 2 characters, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. There have been 4, 6, a tab that has been added for a specified length. But since I want more width between these two words, I have added the tab length to be 25. Now, accordingly, the tab length has increased to 25. Yeah. So in a particular string, I can have multiple tabs. So this is for single tab in string. Yeah. I can have multiple tab within string. So I can have between welcome and to as well, I can have a tab. Yes. I can have, I'll say slash t, please slash t, subscribe to my channel. Yeah. So what I've done, I have added tag to all the spaces between all the words in the string. So I have placed tab at all possible places within the string. You see this? So there is tab between each word within the string, and each tab has been expanded by 25 since there is slash t which is mentioned in between. So you can have multiple tabs within the string. You can have multiple tabs within the string, and it will automatically apply it across all the tabs which are being specified within the string. Yes. So we have seen by default, if I do not specify anything, it will automatically take, suppose I say expand tabs, and I do not specify any width within the string. So tab width is not specified. Then default 8 size will be considered. Yes. So let's see what happens here. See this? So by default, there is a 8 size which is being added on the tab section where we have added slash tab. Yeah, since there is a tab which is already being added, you see how the original string looks like, where there is a smaller gap as compared to what it is between the modified string. Yeah, so the Python expand tab method without any parameter or without any tab width integer, it will take the default value of the tab size, which is 8. Yeah. Now you need to also understand that the method only takes integer as a, you cannot specify character within the tab limit. So the tab size only accepts integer, yeah, or it will come with the type error. You will see this. We'll run this code. Yeah, you got a type error where you cannot have a character to be specified as tab size. Yeah, since we are specifying a size, it's logical, right? So expand tab as such is used to put an alignment between tabs so that you have required amount of distance between two words, or you want to emphasize on some words. Yeah. So I hope you like this video. Do share, comments, like my video. Do subscribe to the channel so that you get such informative videos on Python by default. Thank you so much.